Hello guys, welcome to another video testing and welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Shoutout po kay Sir Emerson ng Nueva Vizcaya. Sir, unit nyo po Glock 19X, ENC Glock 19X, ENC brand, airsoft pistol. So ito po siya. So this is the combination of a Glock 19 slide and a Glock 17 grip or Glock 17 frame. So crossover po siya between the two models, Glock 19 and the Glock 17. Kaya po siya tinatawag na Glock 19X. So remember lang, yung X is crossover ng dalawang model. Okay, o dalawang modelo. Glock 19 and Glock 17. Ayan. This is two-tone, so black slide, tan frame. Yung magazine niya ay kasing haba din ng Glock 17. Kasi yung frame nito is Glock 17. Yung slide niya lang mas maiksi sa Glock 17 kasi this is the Glock 19 slide. Ayan. Nalalagyan din siya ng optic sight, nalalagyan siya ng flashlight, nalalagyan siya ng tracer units. Ayan. Tapos may kasama siyang backstrap, dalawang backstrap tsaka yung lock. Backstrap dito sa likod po. Owner's manual. Okay. Silica gel. Testingin po natin. May kasama na po itong gas number 12 at saka bala po. Testingin lang natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, but before that, yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo sir, Glock 19X and markings 19X. Yan. Ano ba to? Scratch. And then, dumi lang. Okay, yan. Glock 19X two-tone. ENC po yung brand niya. ENC. Yan. Or S-Crane. Okay, testing natin kung ilang EPS. So, paglalagay pala ng gas, sir, inverted position. Then, press nyo lang. Count nyo lang 3. 3 seconds po. 3 to 5. 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, so testingin natin ilang EPS to. Ilang EPS tong Glock 19X sa chronograph. Okay. So Sir Emerson, testing Glock 19X by ENC Gen 5. This is Gen 5. So in Gen 5, ambidextrous na yung slide stop. Magkabilaan na po yan. Okay. Ganda niya, may lanyard pa siya. Okay, testing. Sorry, wala pa palang bala. Kaya pala nag-pinch yung lagyan lang natin ng 3 siguro. Chronograph testing lang naman. Then mamaya test, damihan natin bala para sa accuracy test. Okay. Testing. Sir Emerson, firing. 310.6, 308.9 and 307.9. Ayan yung EPS. And open slide. Okay, once na mag-open slide na po, release nyo lang muna yung magazine. Release nyo lang yung magazine, tapos hatakin nyo lang yung slide. No, hatakin nyo lang to. Ayan, tapos release. Kasi pag ginatak nyo naman, bababa tong slide stop. Make sure na walang magazine. Okay, load lang tayo ulit. Load pa tayo, dami-damihan natin. Okay. 24 rounder capacity po itong magazine. Compatible din po siya sa WE. Okay. Testing. Okay, Glock 19X. Sir Emerson ng Nueva Vizcaya. Okay, testing. Firing. Okay, open slide. Release the magazine. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Emerson, okay na po ang inyong unit. Glock 19X by ENC. Code number 1302. LDE. This is two-tone. Yan. So, kung may question po, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you and have a nice day.